好，本期视频是1年1度的感恩节特辑，主题是看看中美两国博士直男对女性用品知多少。这期视频我们请来2名帅气的嘉宾，凯文来自中国，Joshua来自美国，他们都是美国中部博士在读直男。2位嘉宾将进行一场空前较量，他们要经过3轮 PK 决定胜负，赢得女性之友的荣誉称号。
I like to think highly of myself, so yes, I think I will win. But that's because I have confidence in myself.
我是有女朋友的人，这稳赢啊！越菜点。
Round 1， 这一环节2位嘉宾需要回答出每道题给出的东西都是什么，且如何使用，可以演示。Number 1。
Okay, so
这是什么东西
my goodness. So I am completely at a loss for whatever this thing is.
这一样的，这个是忘记了。
It's something to do with it curls things here, and we're just gonna see you would like kind of like wrap it around it and kind of like curl your hair like that.
这个是你没给全，你肯定还有其他零件也没给我。全了，就是
正确答案，这是一个刷具清洗器。这些小东西支持不同的刷柄大小，把刷具插在上面，另一头插在转动柄上。清洗器里接少量的水，倒入清洁剂，进行清洗刷具。
把谁放到谁上面？这个赵肯定不会。
Yeah, I would have never gotten that in my life.
Number 2.
I don't know, like contour? I think that's the right word I'm looking for. I'm going to assume it's kind of probably for like the areas that, you know, like maybe like the neck area. Hey, Kit Kat, welcome to the party.
这个就是你脸上造阴影的。
Maybe like a smaller detailed type of item. So it's like, I don't know, something that like details like maybe like under the eyes or something. I don't know, that's my guess. Something to do with that. As far as why one's green, I assume that's just for people who are trying to get like some extravagant, like funky look with like different colors. That's what's gonna happen there.
这个是颜色矫正笔。当你涂错颜色的时候，你把这个就和修改液一样，你把这个修改液你涂一下之后，然后你就可以上其他的颜色。这叫 color correction pen。
正确答案，这3支笔状物都是修饰脸部颜色的。绿色的是用来修饰面部泛红区域，桃色的是用来遮盖黑眼圈的，另一支是高光和阴影笔。Number 3.
These are colored pencils. I don't know what they have to do with makeup.
就是你比如说你化妆的时候，你就有一个 check mark， 就在这儿你画一个这个你什么1、2、3、4，然后你画了1，你打个对号，你用了第2个化妆品，你用第2个对号。
I've seen this. It almost looks like a lip gloss or like a lip liner.
这我认识乔治阿玛尼，我老厉害了。
Because this is like a tube.
Made in Canada， 写了 mask， 这个是面膜。
正确答案，这些都是唇部用品，分别是唇线笔、唇彩和唇膜。
这是唇膜，你看这写了 lip mask， 干以后你就抹点油，和凡士林一样，就是注油啊，一个水平的。是边儿，你这个嘴唇边上，你可能弄点 margin。
That seems painful. That doesn't seem like it would feel good.
Number 4.
If you have like a bunch of makeup on your face, you can use it to kind of like scrub it in a little bit. These 2 separate things. Of your coat, like that's kind of what makes me think. Like if you were to like scrub it, like
粘头发的，你就吧唧一下，你这个就把头发 hold 住了，这头发就不散开了嘛，你就 梳一梳。这个我知道，这个你就是拿那个什么刷子啊，你拿这个往这戳一下，它就把那个刷子洗干净了。
正确答案，圆形的是刷子换色海绵。比如女生画了眼影，想用同一支刷子上另一种颜色，把刷头放在海绵上刷一刷颜色就干净了。方形的是发贴，一般是女生化妆或洗漱时用来贴住头发帘的。
差不多，意思差不多。
That sounds kind of painful. But, I mean, I guess I probably could have guessed that. I mean, there was some hair on that something. No, yeah, we're not doing that. That's gonna like hurt me. Nope.
Number 5.
Yes. Is that like? Okay, so this is definitely for eyelashes. It helps form your eyelashes to a more like natural curve or something.
这是一把刀，瑞士军刀，万用军刀。这睫毛，我就明白了。你睫毛特别长，你比如说梳一下睫毛，就是你卷睫毛用的。
正确答案，一支电睫毛夹，用来刷睫毛，使睫毛更卷翘。
厉害，真的变热了。
Number 6.
就是震动的，就是你洗完脸之后，你脸上就是你用洗面奶洗得更干净。其实我觉得什么用，一点用没有。这有啥用
A speaker? I mean, it definitely has like an auxiliary port, or it looks like it. Like,
正确答案，洗脸仪。它有一个开关，打开以后用来洗脸，可以洗得更干净。
Does it? Oh.
Number 7.
这个是装鸡蛋的，这个我非常清楚，这个是装鸡蛋的。女生有那个鸡蛋棉花。
It's like the thing you put on the back of your phone to like keep it like that's like maybe you could like put your hair through it and like wrap it around and it would like curl your hair more. I don't know. Like that would be my guess almost.
正确答案，这是装海绵蛋的架子，用完化妆海绵蛋放在里面，能够更卫生。
Okay. Who like comes up with this stuff? Like that's like a very specific need item, but that's okay.
Number 8.
Oh, those are. Does this help with eyebrows? And I feel like this helps with eyebrows.
这胶带。哦，不是胶带。啊，这还有点什么东西？这个是双眼皮儿，贴双眼皮儿的。
正确答案，这是一个双眼皮贴，贴在眼皮上，制造出双眼皮的效果，放大眼睛。
I don't think anyone in the U.S. has like I can't think I've a double eyelid fold sticker.
Number 9.
这是两个，你肯定还有另外一半，有两半才对。
I feel like there's a missing piece right here. Like it's supposed to have like a clasp and then you can like clasp it in your hair. Reminds me of like those things you like put in your hair and it helps like keep your hair like in place, I guess. That's kind of what it reminds me of, but those normally have like another clip on it.
套耳朵的。不是套耳朵的。套耳朵有点短，你要得长点。
正确答案，这是一个粉刺暗疮挤压棒，用来挤痘痘。
I mean, that's fascinating. Again, never seen this before in my life. I'm gonna go ahead and say that.
Number 10.
哈哈，这个是胭脂盒。 这胭脂盒嘛，就你补妆的，你拿个刷子往那一戳，然后往脸上抹那样。
Makes your face look more tan. I don't know. In the winter months when you can't get out in the sun, can't get the natural tan going, so you can use this handy little device.
正确答案，这是一款五花肉阴影，打在脸上营造阴影效果。
It's changing the color of your face.
Yes.
Which I described, but in my own way.
Bonus questions.
这是一道送分题，这个你往脑袋上一扣，然后它就把你的头发水吸干了。这个是你弄面膜的时候，把你的头发箍起来。这样。
I feel like this is just like a cute face thing. Like you can like put on your face like. I feel like it does this.
这个是发箍，这谁不会？这从小就见过。
But this one, I mean, it's just like a hairband of sorts, like where you can like, I mean, put it on your hair and it keeps your hair back.
这个是洗澡时候的头套，这个是浴巾，不是枕巾，毛巾或者毛巾。
This is a shower cap, so this definitely keeps your hair from getting super wet. This is a towel. I mean, that's pretty self-explanatory, but it feels like one of those fancy towels that helps like absorb a lot of water. What? This looks like a small dress for like a cat or something like that. Unbutton it and you can like put it down like over your head and it keeps like it like goes over your neck and then kind of like onto your shoulders and it prevents like, you know, makeup and stuff from getting onto your like your clothes or your body or something like that. Bonus.
正确答案，这些都与头发相关，分别是强吸水擦头毛巾、浴帽、发卡、干发帽、洗脸发箍，它们都用来擦干头发或固定发束。这一轮，凯文16分 ，Joshua 7.5分。Round 2， 这一环节有2道价格对应题，要求2位嘉宾将物品对应到3个价格区间中。Number 1， 口红价格对应。
我估摸着这个，我以前买过这个，应该是30来块钱，YSL 我认识30来块钱。这个 NARS， NARS 30吧，NARS 我也见过这个牌子。这什么东西？这是口红吗？都是口红吗？放这儿吧，应该靠30的这个区间。这个没见过的牌子15，这个是这个长得像哈利波特一样，这个太薄了15。乔治阿玛尼我认识，乔治阿玛尼30吧，你别乱滚。这个是没见过的15。迪奥对31，这个是 Wonder 没见过的15。倩碧应该10来块钱的中档牌子，这个是没见过的，看这儿，没见过，往下，这都不认识的牌子，这个价，不是整的都丑不拉几的，我看看还有哪个好看点的，我给他，哎，这个手感不错，给他提一个档吧，提到这儿吧，行，差不多。You seem like you're a little bit cheaper. I don't know, it just seems kind of cheap, so we're gonna go in the 1 to 15 range. This one has like, I don't know, this one has like a stylish appeal to it. I'm gonna say you're more expensive. This is too stylish to be expensive, so we're gonna say that's more on like the cheaper side of things. You definitely, I saw you had like another one similar to this, so I'm gonna say this is probably like a pack of things, so it becomes cheaper. This seems like a middle brand. This has gold on it, so there's that. Also kind of a metal brand. And I could be completely off. I like this style. I like this one. This one's kind of cool. It's got like a neat little thing, so we're gonna go there. Wander sounds expensive, so we're gonna go expensive. This feels cheap. And that seems pretty middle of the brand. Done.
正确答案是这样的。Number 2， 眼影盘价格对应。
好，这 NARS 30，Natasha 分享 nuts， 巧克力这一看就不行。这个看样子还凑合的样子，这样。这个看着挺高级的，反正怒的这个牌子我见过。这是什么玩意儿？娜塔莎，还有一个娜塔莎。这个 chocolate 放这儿吧，这个也放这儿，就看吃。这个挺高级的 ，Naked 的。这是什么玩意儿？这日本的呀。这么小，我放这儿吧。行，好嘞。Perfect.
Again, super fancy design, and definitely seems like it's more of an expensive one. This Nude is just a fun name, so comes with like some good stuff. You definitely have gotten a lot of use. Honestly, your middle of the line. That's just what I'm thinking. Blanc Fusion, cool, I guess. Ooh, oh. This seems like a very again, kind of like a fancy design, like in that they're like, I'm not even going to give you like a cool place to put your like little dealie. Smoky Obsessions. That just sounds pretty cool, but it's small, but I'm still going to think it's going to go in there. No offense, Natasha, but you seem kind of cheap. This is small, so I'm going to say it's cheap. The NARS, I think I actually put the other one in like a bigger bracket last time. What are we looking at? There are only 2 of them. I feel like 2 colors can't be that expensive. This is probably deceiving, but Anastasia Beverly Hills, anything with that name is probably kind of expensive. This seems like a novelty thing because it's a chocolate bar, but that smells like chocolate. That's cool. I like that. That's fun. I don't know anything about it, but you're middle of the pack then. And then more, well, okay, one was called Naked and one's called Nude. Okay, so there's a difference there. Urban Decay Heat. Again, I feel like this is, ooh, that's tough. I like the name and the packaging. We're gonna say it's still middle of the pack though. That is my final answer.
正确答案是这样的。这一轮，凯文16.5分，找傻13.5分。基于现在的比分状况，凯文暂时领先。那么接下来的第3轮中，2位嘉宾又会有怎样的表现呢 ？Round 3， 这一回合2位嘉宾将要为一个网络的美妆视频配音，详细解说博主的化妆步骤。
大家好，我现在来给大家介绍怎么梳头。大家好，我要给大家介绍，这个是祛痘的。
Get it on the chin a little bit, kind of get some of these more problem areas underneath the eyes. That's definitely an important part. But yeah, kind of just rub it in all over. That's okay.
晚上不是，现在我要教大家早上起来怎么化妆。刚才我是化妆之后的结果，现在是我裸妆状态。
So next, we're going to take some of this lovely green cream. We're going to start dotting it around all over. I'm going to put it on all over the face, on the neck a little bit, and then we're going to pamper it in. Just pamper it in a little bit. It's going to kind of give our face a little bit more even texture all around to kind of help, lay the foundation for what we're going to be doing next.
然后现在我是要这个重点突击，你看我这个有这个地方就满脸都是痘痘，我使劲我把它给遮盖上。我看这些地方我这个使劲就用专门的这个遮痘粉把这个脸上这个痘痘给它遮盖掉。然后你要用手指的颜色不一样嘛，我就和抹腻子一样，你往墙上抹腻子，你得有个过渡。
Next, we've got our handy little brush. We're going to make this a little bit more detailed. So we're going to take that detailing brush, we're going to really hammer in on those little spots that might have been a little bit more difficult to get with just using our fingers. Kind of hard to put it in, but as you can see, the result is excellent.
这是那个鸡蛋海绵，然后刚才把脸上那几个油抹，还没画完。
Apply that foundation, kind of rub it in, but make sure it's all nice and general. Get it everywhere that it needs to be.
沙子晃一下之后，这个小细沙，非常非常细的沙子，然后用这个棉花把这个小细的沙子弄棉花上，然后往脸上开始抹，和打磨抛光一下。
Another mysterious box, but this one has a couple different colors. We're going to take our nice big brush. We're going to start brushing it in, kind of making the colors, blend together some more, making it all nice and even. That's what that's about. Now we're going to take this lovely little pen, and we're going to kind of draw in and kind of color the eyebrows a little bit more, get them a little bit darker, a little bit easier to see, a little bit more defined.
然后呢，你再换一支眉笔，换一个细点的眉笔，然后在眉毛的这个边缘呢，你给它画出一个棱角，这样会好看一些。
So now we're going to take our Naked 3 Urban Decay kit. It's got a lot of different palettes in there, a lot of different colors. We're going to get that eyeshadow in there nice and neat.
为什么眼睛要画那么多颜色？一个颜色不就完了吗？
Keep going for the next line here. Awesome.
唱戏的呀，我就画。我今天晚上可以上台唱戏了。
So next we have what is that?
哎呦我去，往眼睛里边涂啊！哎呀我天哪！哦，我知道，刚才那是胶，你拿一点黑胶，你涂上之后，然后你现在开始放眼睫毛、假睫毛，你往眼上放假睫毛，你就可以夹住一下。刚开始的那一线黑的呢是胶。
Our eyelash curler. It's going to take that and kind of give it a couple squeezes, get those nice and neat. We're going to apply some more eyebrows onto our eyelashes, I should say.
然后他现在在检查我现在会不会掉下来，那眼睛一忽闪会不会把假睫毛掉下来，需要转一转。
So taking some more kind of eyeliner stuff, we're going to get in there a little bit darker this time. Going to really thicken that out and kind of get onto the eyelashes themselves and kind of make those, stick and make them, the way that we want them. Of course, be careful here because that's dangerous.
啊，就是这个是细睫毛笔，对，你看这是刷下眼睫毛的啊。这个估计是就是头发茬子，然后你就可以粘到下眼睫毛上。那最后这一步呢，我现在画腮红了。腮红这个是笤帚一样的东西，刷子。
As we kind of near the end of this, we're gonna go ahead and pick up some of our lipstick, kind of get that in there nice and neat. Again, making sure that it's all nice and even, because we want it to be even. Get the corners of your mouth, make sure it's not too far down. And would you look at that? That is just a beautiful, beautiful face.
Yay!
If I do say so myself. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.
比拼结束，揭晓最终结果之前，我们先来看看两位嘉宾怎么说。
这女生都是花时间都花在这上面的，而且我觉得最重要的吧，就是化妆呢，你就抹个口红，然后就行了。你想，你看那刚才那个博主他画那个抹完一遍又一遍，然后又一遍，就把脸变白了。最好就是用一下口红，然后就可以上班了。嘿嘿。Okay.
I was curious, if like some of those items where it's like, I've never heard of this before, if that was more of a cultural thing. For like a common person like myself, I come from a very small town where that stuff is basically non-existent. I think that that lady did a very good job in her video. I mean, I feel like I could have followed that step by step, and I know nothing about those things. But I mean, it's definitely like an interesting thing. I mean, to look at from an outside perspective, because it's something I don't know anything about. So it was cool to kind of learn about what some of those items are and how they're used, and it is a cool thing. I'm glad that I could be a part of this.
那么最终到底是谁夺得了女性之友的荣誉呢？如果你觉得哪位嘉宾在第3轮中表现得更好，就赶快在下方留言评论吧。祝大家感恩节快乐！记得订阅我的频道，点赞、评论、转发哟。我们下期再见。